Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you all the box accessories with which Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus comes. So if you wanna just know what watch accessories Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus comes by default, let's just first open this box, and this is the place for our device. Let's open this paper box. So let's check, and we can see that here we got the SIM ejector, some paperwork like the quick start guides and safety guide and the warranty card, and the USB just Type-C cable. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.